Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain about the features and how you can use the Snapchat Plus. So the new features that is available on Snapchat Plus are as follow. So first thing let's understand how you can go and get the Snapchat Plus. For that, open up your Snapchat application and log in into your account. So when you're logged in, that is going to take you to the home page. So from the top, go ahead and press the Bitmoji icon, and here you just have to go ahead and press the gear icon. As you do that, you'll be able to find Snapchat Plus. You could go through it, and then you could go ahead and click on subscribe. When you press on it, then you just have to go ahead and set it up. So Snapchat Plus is also known as the Snapchat Plus by its icon, and its subscriptions are based on the services launched by the Snapchat, offering experimental and pre-release features users experiences. First feature is app icons and theme. So it allows users to customize the Snapchat icon on their home page or the home screen and change the app theme as well. You could go to your settings and find it about it. And the next feature is you could reply to stories are given higher visibility. Simply reply to stories as usual. You could also view or set a specific emojis that friends will see after they view your snap. And you could also go ahead and boost your story so that they get more visibility. You can also use planetary view of your top friends and how close you are to them. These were some of the features that is available or that has been offered by the Snapchat Plus. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.